Hey everyone, Patrick here again to show you how to use our annotations tool to communicate laydown yards, crane locations, or anything else you need to communicate to your team or trades on your job site. The annotations tool is also how you can make distance and area measurements. Click on the New button and select Annotation. You'll see a few options pop up: Square tool, Circle tool, Polygon tool, Line tool, Location marker tool, Text label tool, and Overlay tool. We're going to make a short work plan today for the delivery of a new crane to the job site. I'm going to go ahead and use the Location marker tool to mark out the site entry. I'm going to use it again to mark the proposed location for the crane. Now I'm going to use the Distance tool to measure the distance we need the crane to travel so we can plan for that movement. I'm going to make it green. I'm going to turn on the toggle for distance measurement and close the pop-up, and we can see now that's 298.6 feet. I'm also going to use the Circle tool to add in a representation of the crane's radius and just move that right onto that marker point. Finally, I'm going to use the Polygon tool to get a quick area measurement on an upcoming concrete pour. Double click to close, turn on the area measurement toggle, make it yellow so it stands out, close the pop-up, and now we can see this is 6,634 square feet of surface area. Finally, I'm going to add an overlay. I'm going to use a civil document here to give good context to the rest of the job site. This helps me kind of analyze where does that crane radius fall with respect to the other activities that are going to be happening. Okay, we're done with the annotation. Let's give it a name. We'll call it Crane Movement. Hit save and close. It's now saved and your team can access it. It can be found by searching your name or any part of the annotation name itself. That wraps it up. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.